Hello mga kachika. Walking tour tayo sa sa aming barangay. Ayan. Village tour. Ayan, village tour tayo. Bamboo. Oh, look at the chicken there. The chicken there.
You can see he's feeding. They're eating.
Yes, in the rice field. Crooting. That is how we call the chicken. Crooting. Oh, see. They're coming. They are coming. Crooting. Oh, we will call the chicken. Oh. Crooting. Oh, they are coming. Oh. Crooting. Oh, look at the chicken. The chicken. Crooting. Oh. Crooting, that is how we call the chicken. That is the duck. Duck sound. Cassava plant.
You have water pump there?
Yes, that is for the rice field. They are pumping water. They are preparing their fields for the planting of rice.
Everybody is planting rice. Some people cook tobacco.
Yes, tobacco, corn, rice. That is the produce here.
Okay, see,
This is the seedlings
so
of the
this is what they do, they put
tobacco.
in nets to
Yes,
test it.
tobacco. And then when it's already grown, they pull it and then there in their prepared land. So these are the seedlings of tobacco. Look at the our local spinach.
Okay.
Look at it's blooming. It's full of flowers. They're blooming. Kangkong.
You have content for your blog.
Yes, so these are the kangkong. Kangkungan, no? Ang ganda, oh. Blooming siya. Let's see kung hindi na natin ma-zoom. May kalabasa. May kalabasa. Sinong inting, oh? Ayan, mga kachika, may kalabasa tayo. Ayan, dami palang kalabasa dito. Ayan. So, aside from this papaya, they have squash. Oh, that is still very young. Young squash. Nami gani tananong jang kwan pa, jang daw green pa. Jang daw green pa. Turo gali bunga na. Oh, they have so many fruits. Come here. You have to explore the fields. Pwede nga yung plastic mo. Ni mo daw ay ti ano pa yung dyan nung kalabasa no. Look at the squash of nung inting. There are so many. So we will buy squash for consumption. Ti ano paano mo dyan mabuol no?
Hindi, ito na lang. Dito ah.
Oh, ayan. Ayan.
Nga dyan ito magkapos sa UK.
Sa UK.
UK? Yan na
Hindi mabuol.
Yan, amon mo dyan.
Hindi maano eh.
Sok na.
Yes, this is a big squash. Paborito na dyan squash.
Nanti dyan, turo pa diyo. Namit ko ano na. Yusi yun.
Hindi, ginatula naman, nalakot sa munggo.
Kaya dyan nagmanggat pas balay niya.
Oo.
Look at your face. Look at the look on your face.
Ha?
Excitement.
Kasi nga bala.
Kaya sa kutong ado.
Didi.
Ito ka daw, ito pwede mo naman.
Didiin, baklon ko dla to.
Huwag ito may napalusok.
Hindi mo ito pagkanon.
Sige lang may.
Ibaligya dla to.
Yawan.
Mosquitoes are attacking me now.
Ah, yes.
Fresh meat.
What's there? Maybe next.
Yes.
Okay, brilliant.
Yes, they're still young. There, some youngs are...
Just measure those. Then we... What else do you want to get?
Another papaya ready to eat. Iko na anay poy, kiluha. Baklo naman karon hindi tamo magbalik kung kiluha na dyan baklo naman.
Mga payas na.
Hindi kiluha to karon hindi ro tamo magbalik ko na.
Mosquitoes are damaging me.
Yes, there's so many ants. Pira kilo na karapoy.
Nakarang bigyan papa ka dyan.
Diyan lang kapayas, pira kilo dun.
Manog kulang-kulang tatlo, 2 kilo. Barang 2 kilo.
Di ang daa. Kinatula madang they also cook the flour. Yes, the flour of this squash.
Dua man.
No, sige. Di piraron tanan. Tapira kilo kakuan mo.
Nampak dia tahun papa ka dai kung tanam lang di beligya.
Hey. Ay, kaknaan ka kilo.
For your right one there.
Huh? Oh, here, okay, you jump. Oh, and then pass here. You know, this is a vegetable. Huh?
Are you going to pay him something?
Yes, he will get the kilo. What is that? That 3 kilo. Do not put it on your... And he will get a plastic.
Yeah, I've got some white stuff on my trousers already. You know what that is?
May tino. Hindi na tayo nakaabot ng mga ng mga papaya dito, no? Na harvest na. Kunti na lang yung natira. Where? Is it ready to ripe?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Abi, tagpira kilong. Ay, kang taon ta. Kung may duha ko na... Ay, hindi baklon ta eh.
Kuda kon mao, dagan.
Hello, we will pick this papaya. Oh, look at the papaya. Look at the papaya. Ay, there's so many fruits. Ay, nanuunong. Oh, abayan lang no, yain mo nga kuha no. Mga kapayas no. De ano mo, nami marapay eh. Na. Oh, there is a water there. Be careful, oh. There's a swamp. Yes. Oh, let's pick this papaya. We did not have a plastic. Oh. Ay, huunong. Mau kanugot. Katudo durugid.
You're walking. You careful.
Oo, katuduro gid ade gurang na no.
Way makakuan day.
Way do ko kaabot ba?
May tuya ko may luto ko to para ma.
Tuot, sige. Oh. Another. Okay. We will add some more.
Up to you. You had a long week.
Tapira kilo ka dyan. No more. Kasi alang-alang. Ay, alang-alang no. Alang-alang no. Do iron no. Hindi mo lang dyan maluto kung bulon mo. Kanugon lang. Ood. Ari, ano tanay, kilohon.
It should be enough, right?
Yes, I think it's enough.